So the office wasn't for me. Getting out on site, doing things with my hands, a day just clicks by like nothing really. Hi, I'm Frankie. I'm an apprentice electrician, learning to be an electrician, and I work for M&S Electrical. But a typical day for me could look like turning up on site 7:30, 8 o'clock, depending on where I am and what sort of work environment we're working in, working through on a normal 8.5 hour, 9 hour day, with multiple different options of what is going on throughout the day. No 2 days are the same. It could be one day you'd be doing first fix, second day, second fix, last day it'd be fault finding bits and pieces, and each day has different challenges and different obstacles you have to overcome. So with JTL, it's a level 3 apprenticeship in electrotechnical installation, which in layman's terms is just become an electrician. With the college side of things, I've done day release for the first 3 years, managed to complete all of my college work in that time. The final year is just gaining your on-site experience. Obviously you do gain that throughout the entire thing, but the final year being 5 days a week. So what I've really enjoyed about the apprenticeship so far is the fact that you can earn and learn at the same time, where university wasn't personally for me. Didn't want to travel away, but also the courses provided in my local area weren't for me either, so I had to look at other options. So the apprenticeship has benefited me by obviously giving me the 4 years experience, and from the back of that, just giving me the confidence in different lines of work. So coming to my end of my 3rd year and sort of into this 4th year now, I've been given a lot more leeway, left to do my own work a little bit more, and it gives you that job satisfaction that you've actually completed the work yourself versus working with someone as an apprentice. You actually have the job satisfaction that you finished it yourself. Once I applied for the apprenticeship with JTL, it's like a scheme you get onto. They then provide you, if you need them, you can find your own, but they would then provide you with some options to actually put you into the workplace. For myself, I had 3 different options. I spoke to all of the directors of the 3 companies. From speaking to my company, M&S, and the director made me feel like at home basically, so that's the reason I chose M&S, and I've been here ever since. So with the university and everything surrounding it, my school was pushing it, but for me personally it just didn't work with my situation. I weren't really at the point of my life, confidence levels enough to say, oh yeah, I want to leave home, I want to go and move away, live on my own. But then in the surrounding areas, the universities that we've got, not that they're bad, but they just didn't do the courses that suited me, so I had to look for other options, and apprenticeship's what I found. There's plenty of things to enjoy about the day-to-day job, but the main thing for me really is just the variety. I'm not one for really sitting in one place for too long, so my advice to an apprentice just starting off would be to come into it with an open mind, to give it your all, to work with people, not against people, because the more you look like you've got the willing to show to actually turn up and be helpful to the person you're working with, the more likely they're going to show you the little tips and tricks, and they're going to actually want to work with you. The more you show that you want to be involved, you will be.